Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is Greek salad, or I should say it's inspired by Greek salad. We love Greek salad so much, but in today's Greek salad, in brackets, I use mushroom, which I don't think any Greek salad use mushroom, but it is delicious. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So I have Kalamata olives, red onion, cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, bell pepper and cucumber. We're just gonna cube them or halve them for the tomatoes. You can either skin the cucumber or leave the skin intact. I love with the skin. My husband prefers it with the skin peeled. Now for the tomatoes, you can halve them or leave them whole. I'm gonna leave them whole, some of them, but some of them sliced. So cube the cucumbers and slice the grape tomatoes. Do the same with the bell pepper. Cube them or slice them to your liking. So I'm gonna slice a can of mushroom as well, because I have a can that needs to be used up as soon as possible. So normally Greek salad you don't use this, but this is my kind of Greek salad. You can leave your olives whole, or you can remove the pits and slice them or halve them, the same as your red onion. Season it with oregano, a little bit of garlic powder, some salt, a little bit of lime as well. Now, normally people use red wine vinegar, but I'm using what I have at home, which is rice vinegar and a little bit of honey. And we're gonna mix it. Adjust to your liking for the flavoring, and not forgetting our feta cheese.